All right. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Good day. So let's start with our discussion for today is about graphics design. So introduction to graphics design. And we have a lot of choices, but description ng course natin is pagpipilian natin yung dalawa, which is the CorelDRAW at saka yung Adobe Photoshop. So basically, we are going to discuss the CorelDRAW on the final. For now, yung pag-uusapan muna natin is Adobe Photoshop. So, introduction to graphics design. Meron tayong Adobe Illustrator, Canva, yung may mga Procreate tayo, tapos meron mga GMP, yung mga Vesme graphics design, may mga Adobe InDesign, Figma, Krita, and so many more. Pero yung focus natin is about Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so ano nga ba yung Adobe Photoshop? So Adobe Photoshop is an image editing software that enables user to enhance digital images with precision and creativity. It is extensive tool set is an asset to professionals to retouch photos. Itong retouch photos na to, siguro we will actually explore this one pero pang advanced na yan. Create stunning graphics. Ito, basic graphics we can do. For create stunning graphics, it's up to you to explore the Adobe Photoshop. For the basic, we can do the basic, yung mga paano gamitin tong Adobe Photoshop. But if you have an experience about this one, sa tagal mong gamitin to, magkakaroon ka na ng idea how to then you design in intricate composition. So may nakalagay dito, try it for yourself. So if you try it for yourself, uh, ito yung mangyayari. So the next topic, which is graphics sample using Adobe Photoshop. So ayan yung mga stunning graphics na ginawa ng mga artists about using Adobe Photoshop. So meron kang mga illustration using Adobe Photoshop, merong mga abstract, yung mga so marami pang iba. At I am sure sa tagal niyong paggamit or pag-explore ng Adobe Photoshop, to be able to create more than this. Mas maganda pa dito. Okay? Next is how to start Adobe Photoshop. So, maraming paraan kung paano buksan yung Photoshop. Either i-click mo yung icon or yung meron tayong start button or dun sa search or yan. So, paano ba yun? So, halimbawa, this one. Yung desktop mo. So, ito yung logo ng Photoshop. Yan. So, i-click mo lang yan and then hit mo yung enter. Okay, sa keyboard. So, pag na-hit mo yung enter or i-double click mo or i-right click mo yung uh, gamit yung mouse mo and then i-click mo open at mabubuksan na yan. Or pwede rin na uh, pwede rin na yung ito naman yung gamitin mo. I-click mo yung ito, yung Windows button, tapos lalabas yan. Okay? And then i-click mo yan. Right, i-click mo yan. Pagka-click mo yan, automatic na yan mag-open. Then meron pa, another one is, ito naman, search engine. Gamitin mo yung search engine na yan. Okay, i-type mo dyan yung Adobe Photoshop. And then automatic na makikita mo yung Adobe Photoshop. Hit mo lang yung enter at mabubuksan na yan. Or, pwede rin gamitin mo yung naka-pin dun sa may dito, sa may bar mo. Yan. Pag i-click mo yan, automatic na rin yan magbubukas yung Photoshop. Okay. Paano ba yung itsura ng Photoshop pag nagbubukas? Yan. So, ito yung loading ng Photoshop. So, yan yung loading. So, this is Photoshop 2003. Pag nakikita nyo naman, it's 2003. Yan, nakalagay dyan. 1990 to 2023 Adobe Photoshop. And then, meron na rin tayong latest. Pero, yung laptop ko kasi gamit ko is yung nababagay lang sa laptop ko yung ginamit ko Adobe Photoshop, which is the 2023. So, pagkagamit pa ako ng more than this version, kailangan ko mag-upgrade ng mga specification ng aking laptop. At kailangan ko ng mataas na graphics. Okay? And then next, what is inside? Ano nga ba yung nasa loob ng Photoshop? Yung nasa loob ng Photoshop, pag binuksan mo yan, ito yung makikita mo. Yan. Makikita mo agad yan. Yan, ito. Okay? Yan. Alright? So, and then, ano pa yung, paano mag-umpisa? Pag nag-umpisa ka, i-click mo yung file, right? And then, i-click mo yung new. Okay, so, I already create a video presentation about this one on how to start with Adobe Photoshop. Kung, yung, dito sa introduction lang ng Photoshop, yung gagawin lang natin is to create, yung ituturo ko sa inyo is to create a drawing space or yung tinatawag natin na graphics space kung saan ilalagay mo lahat yung mga drawing, yung mga graphics, yung mga tools, mga kung ano-ano, mga shape, yung mga color, brush, mga ganun. So, yun lang ang gagawin natin is to create a space for your graphics. Okay, so let's watch the video.